Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to schedule posts on Instagram without third-party apps. So to do that, you have to, of course, head over to your Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. So you have to head over to your plus icon. Come back to us. So then let's say I'm gonna make a post of a specific photo. So let's say this photo. I'm tapping on next, and here tap on next. And here you will find the option of more options. So here you will find the scheduling option if you have a business or a professional account. So from there you can get the option to schedule a post, and then you can follow the prompts for it. So yeah, this is how easy it is to schedule a post without any third-party app on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.